Welcome to Whitby Toyota, your neighborhood Toyota dealer. It is our top priority to keep all of our customers and staff safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. Service customers may pull up to the drive-through entrance and stop where indicated. We ask that you acknowledge the signs throughout the premises and read the directions carefully. We are aware of your arrival, and a drive-through attendant will be with you to ask you any safety questions that are necessary. When it is safe and well socially distanced inside, you will be asked to enter the drive-through entrance and stop where indicated. As signage indicates, we ask you to pull forward, roll your window down, leave the keys inside the vehicle, and wait for further instructions. When indicated, you will be escorted into our service department and taken directly to a service advisor's workstation. As you can see, the workstations are plexiglassed for increased safety between the customer and our service advisor. You may discuss your service needs with your assigned advisor before you choose to wait in our socially distanced waiting room, leave and return to pick up your vehicle, or grab a chair outside in the sun. Before your vehicle is taken in for service, it will be thoroughly sanitized, including all high-touch surface areas such as the steering wheel, shift knob, door handles, door panels, and a seat cover will be installed before anyone sits inside. Other measures we have taken include consistent disinfecting, 6 feet distance recommendations, and hand sanitized stations throughout. Upon departure, your vehicle will be sanitized once again to ensure the safety of our customers. We thank you for your business at Whitby Toyota, and we look forward to seeing you again.